This is my grandfather, Morris Williams. Papa was a die-hard Yankee fan. When they hit a home run, he would turn the TV up really loud. Watching those games with him is forever etched in my memory. Peanuts have a long-standing connection with baseball. But did you know boiled peanuts originated in West Africa? The delicious tradition of boiling peanuts was brought over by the slaves from Africa to the American South. Today's recipe is dedicated to my papa. It's boiled peanuts and it's gonna be yum, y'all. Let's gather the ingredients. 1 onion soup package, a 1/4 cup of tomato bouillon, 1/2 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, 4 tablespoons of my sweet heat seasonings. You could use barbecue sauce if you'd like, and 2.5 to 3 pounds of your raw peanuts. We'll start by giving our peanuts a thorough wash down. This time I'll be using a crock pot, but a good old stock pot is great as well. Remove any of the broken shells or debris, then add all of your ingredients to your pot. I also added in about 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I wanted a little added sweetness. Then cover the peanuts with some fresh water. It'll take at least 8 cups. Then give it a little stir. Set your crock pot to low and let it cook overnight. If you're using a stock pot, let it go to boil, then let it simmer for about 4 hours, checking on occasion in case you need to add some more water. And there you have it, a crowd-pleasing snack that will always hit a home run. Make something yum, y'all.